Okay people, welcome back. So now let's kind of quickly look at some of the considerations you should have in mind before you really jump on to doing predictive trades. What are those? So here are some of those considerations. So the first one is one needs to be very deeply disciplined in predictive trades. I said very high discipline is required because especially if you're doing intraday and swing, you have to consistently do it for a sustainable period of time. Do not think that every trade in intraday and swing will be profitable. No, it will not be so. But if you continue doing that, stick to one system, maximum two systems. Don't keep kind of interchanging that. You may get more systems here, but it does not mean that you have to trade in all. Stick to one or two systems and then consistently keep doing that with every opportunity what you get over next say 90 days, 3 months period. And at the end of 3 months period, if you're profitable, that's a very good thing. And that's how it is going to be, because we are again going to cut our losses short, and if the trades are winning, we're going to win that across. So with that logic, for you to do it, you got to be disciplined. If you think you cannot do this over at least 3 months at one stretch, and you have to look at it every month like a business and every quarterly how you're performing, if that is not for you, don't even venture into predictive trades. It's okay, you simply do either trend following or options or even equity. That's absolutely fine. But if you are getting in here, be sure that you're going to put in your complete time and effort. And if you are doing intraday, this is to be done in front of the screen. Do not try to do intraday when you have a day job or a full-time business, because your mind will spoil the trade. It will spoil your business as well. If you are doing intraday is almost like a full-time job. Only if you want to, if you are sure and if you want to be a full-time trader, get in here. Right? Try it out for a month and see if that suits you. Otherwise, it's okay, you don't do it. It's not like, okay, you kind of do it in your mobile, still kind of you're in job and then kind of in between you're taking these trades. No, it is not like that. It's a discipline. It is a business. That's the first one. Second, the win rate can be around 30% to 40% only in all predictive trades. So it's like, if you take 10 trades, 3 to 4 only will be winning. Balance 6 to 7 will be lost trades. It may so happen that when you start trading, you may get first 7 trades as losing trades, and only the next 3 trades may be profitable. So you never know where it starts, how it starts. So you got to consistently take. That's why I say at least 100 trades, and then see out of 100 trades, what is your win rate and how things are happening, right? Next, never ever get into revenge trade at any cost. We've spoke about the trading plan, the risk. In the risk management section, we have described how do you kind of consider that. Everything you have to take into account. If you have still not completed your actions on the risk management module, first do that and then come back here. Without completing that, you cannot get into predictive trades. One, and second, never ever try to challenge the market. Market is supreme. Respect the market. If you lose, if you're taking 2 trades in intraday on any given day, if both of them are lost trades, respect the market, be humble, say thank you, shut your mission, come back next day with a fresh mind and take the trade. Do not say, I will wait for the day afternoon, I'm going to take one more trade and get back all the money. Don't do that. Don't do that. It is going to be very dangerous on your capital, and you may erode the capital totally in few days itself. Like I've already told, 90% of the traders lose 90% of the capital in the first 90 days of their journey in stock market. I don't want you to be part of that. So we are sharing all our experiences, so adapt that. Next, do not get into trades if you have not built your trading plan. Extremely important. What is the trading plan? We have already described that in the risk management and in the previous sections. Go through that, understand everything, how many losses, what is the loss per day, per trade, per month, per week, all of that, redescribe that and have your plan and be ready with the plan and then enter. Next, 90% of the people tend to lose money due to guilt and fear. These are the two things which is very, very dangerous for everybody in the market, especially on the mindset part of it. If you lose money, don't have the guilt and don't bring in fear. At the same time, don't have the revenge attitude as well. So guilt and fear kind of is dangerous. Revenge, I've already told you, it's even more dangerous. Next, there is no compulsion to trade every day. You can choose you will trade only 3 days in a week or 2 days in a week or even 1 day a week in intraday. But every week you may say that every week on Friday I will do intraday, or every week on Monday I will do intraday. That's your choice, and you can consistently stick to that and do that for all 52 weeks in a month, in a year, and see how the results have been. Other days maybe you have other business, other work, you kind of do that. Right? So choice is yours. So it's not compulsion that every day you have to do. What is more important is when before you getting into the trade, see how is your mindset and then get on and decide that in your trading plan. Next, no more than 2 trades at any point in time. Even though you have capital and even though things are, you're seeing multiple opportunities, don't get on to 6 trades, 7 trades simultaneously. You will not be able to hold it, not be able to manage it. If 2 of them kind of go in the opposite direction, everything will get spoiled. So just maximum is 2 trades. Do this at least for 6 to 9 months. After that, based on your comfort and how you've developed your skill, you can do more trades simultaneously. This is simultaneously. If 2 trades are already running, especially in intraday and swing, right? If it's already running, you can only manage that much because market is going, you're doing in 5 minutes time frame as an example, or 15 minutes time frame. Every 15 minutes you have to do certain things. So if there are 2 maximum, you can manage 2. If you're taking 3, 4, 5, it is difficult to manage everything simultaneously. So don't do anything more than 2 trades at any given point in time. So these are some of the considerations which I really wanted to discuss with you. Hope you kind of got these considerations and you're going to adhere to that. If you've got this and if you're going to adhere to that, type in the comment, adhering to considerations, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll jump on to understanding the trading systems. Bye-bye.